Welcome everybody in my English first paper class. Teacher's Identity. I am Muhammad Mustafizur Rahman, Senior Teacher English, Khatail Cantonment Public School and College. Lessons Introduction. Class 9. Subject English first paper, Unit 3. Events and Festivals. Lesson 5. Lesson title Independence Day. Dear students, what can you see in the picture? It is National Memorial. It is National Memorial. Dear students, what can you see in the picture? This is National Memorial. Where is it? Do you know where is it? That means where is it situated? It is situated at Savar in Dhaka. Why was it built? It was built to show respect to the martyrs of the War of Liberation in 1971. So, our today's lesson is Independence Day. Learning outcomes. The learners will be able to talk about events and festivals, use new words into sentences, infer meaning from the context, ask and answer questions, write about personal experience what Independence Day is. Vocabulary learning. Independence. It is noun and meaning freedom from political control by other countries. State. It is also noun meaning a politically organized body of people under a single government. Diplomat. It is also noun meaning a person whose job is to represent his or her country in a foreign country. Festival. It is also noun meaning joyful celebration. That means festival means joyful celebration. Celebrate. It is verb. Okay. Celebrate is a verb meaning to show that a day or an event is important by doing something on it. Enthusiasm. It is also noun meaning a strong feeling of excitement and interest in something. Okay, dear students, now I will read out the text. You will listen to me very carefully because you have to give me some answers from this text. Okay, now I am going through the text. 26 March or Independence Day is the biggest state festival. That means 26 March is our Independence Day and it is the biggest state festival. The day is celebrated every year in the country with great enthusiasm and fervor. That means people all over the country celebrate this day with great enthusiasm. It's a national holiday. The day is a national holiday. All officials, educational institutions, shops and factories remain closed on this day. As it is a state holiday, so people of all walks of life enjoy the day. All the offices, factories, shops remain closed on this day. The day begins with a 31 gun salute. Okay, the day begins with 31 gun salute. Early in the morning, the president and the prime minister, on behalf of the nation, place floral wreaths at the national mausoleum at Shabhar. On this day, our president, our prime minister go to the national mausoleum at Shabhar and they place their floral wreaths on behalf of us. The other leaders, political parties, diplomats, social and cultural organizations, educational institutions, and freedom fighters pay homage to the martyrs. Not only the president and prime ministers, but also the other, in different political parties, diplomats, social and cultural organizations, educational institutions, and our beloved freedom fighters go to the national memorial to uh, show their respect to the freedom fighters. People from all walks of life also go there in rallies and processions. That means all classes of people also go there. Okay, with rallies and procession. There are many cultural programs throughout the day highlighting the heroic struggle and sacrifice in 1971. Okay, it is also a spectacular scene. The people, that means all over Bangladesh, wears a festive look. Okay, they discuss different programs about our freedom fighters, about our historic struggles, about the sacrifice of the freedom fighters in 1971. The country also the country also witnessed a spectacular parade of defense forces, border guards, police, Ansars and BDP, Village Defense Party, at the National Parade Ground near the National Memorial. Okay, on this day, our defense forces, our border guards, police, Ansars and BDP go to the National Parade Ground and display they display us a very beautiful parade. Okay, in Bangabandhu National Stadium, schools children, scouts, girl guides take part in various displays to entertain thousands of spectators. Okay, on this day, the people, the students, girls guides also show us different kinds of beautiful displays and overwhelm us. Educational institutions also organize their individual programs. Sports and meets and tournaments are also organized on the day, including the exciting boat race in the river Buriganga. That means different schools arranges different programs and different clubs also and organizations also organize different kinds of sports events on this day. In the evening, all the major public buildings are illuminated with colorful lights. Okay, in the evenings, another very beautiful scene is also seen. Okay, all the major buildings of the country are illuminated with different colored lights. Bangla Academy, Bangladesh Shilpokala Academy, and other socio-cultural organizations hold cultural functions. Similar functions are also arranged in other places in the country. Okay, Bangla Academy, Bangladesh Shilpokala Academy, and other socio-cultural organizations also hold different kinds of functions, okay, and similar functions are also organized by different organizations of the country. Actually, the day on this day our country wears a festive look, okay. Dear students, I hope you listen to me very carefully, okay. Now you have to answer some questions, okay. You have to answer some questions. Now try to choose the best answer from the alternatives, okay. Start. Our state festival is Victory Day, Shohid Day, Pohela Boishakh, Independence Day. So what will be the answer? Independence Day. That means our state festival is Independence Day, okay. Now second question. The celebration of Independence Day begins with procession, gun shoots, placing wreaths at the National Memorial, the display of parades by defense forces. What will be the best answer? Gun shoot, okay. Best answer is gun shoot. Now question number 3. The National Memorial is on Dhaka University campus, at Ramna Park, at Shabhar, near Dhaka Medical College. What will be the best answer? The best answer is near Dhaka Medical College, okay. Question number 4. On Independence Day, the national parade is held at the National Parade Ground, in the streets, in the decorated vehicles, in Dhaka Stadium. So what will be the answer? At the National Parade Ground, okay. Now match the words with their meaning. Okay, before matching the words, you have to read the words and their meaning, then you will match, okay. First one, fervor, then alike, then spectator, displays, illuminates. In the right side you can see acts of performing skills to light up. In a similar way, a strong feeling of excitement, a person who is watching an event, okay. I will answer one by one, okay. First one, fervor. Fervor means a strong feeling of excitement. Alike means in a similar way. Spectator means a person who is watching an event. Displays means acts of performing skills, and illuminate means to light up, okay. Now you have to answer some questions. Why do we observe 26 March? Why do we observe 26 March? What will be the answer? Try to think the answer. The answer will be, we observe 26 March to communicate our country's declaration of independence from Pakistan in 1971. Okay. My second question, what picture do you see in the streets on Independence Day? What will be the answer? Try to think. Okay, the answer may be on Independence Day. I see that the main streets have been decorated with colorful flowers, including our national flag. Where is National Parade Ground? The answer will be the National Parade Ground is near the National Parliament. Okay? Now your homework. Suppose you have recently joined a rally of Independence Day in your school. Okay, now write about your experience in your own words about Independence Day. Okay, thanks to all.